This is the maiden flight of the T21, John's glider, which I featured on the Balsa Bashes. We've all been looking forward to this. The conditions are, it's about, well, it's easily 10-mile-an-hour wind, and the sun's just gone in. There's a little bit of rain showers about, but it's going to be fantastic actually, so yeah, fingers crossed, eh? Beautiful, look at that. That's some finish you got on there, John.
Oh, it went on well, that.
Yeah.
About two wings the same size.
Yeah, two port wings. Could you have a bolt with a hole in the end and you just push one of those spring clip things through?
Yes, I suppose anything like that would, yeah. Well, you know, it's like the first time you rig a new plane, you learn. That's it, folks.
So, are you happy? Everything else ready? Check everything. Right, well let's get on with it. Okay. Right, take it off!
So John's up there currently, so he's still at about 800-900 feet, and he thinks it needs a little bit of nose weight, but we'll find out. And yeah, so far so good, so fingers crossed for a, you know, nice greasy landing. I think he's going to be well pleased actually. I know we're all rooting for him, aren't we? Aren't we?
Ooh, look at that, lovely. That might work.
Yeah.
Nice left turn.
Yeah. Oh, fantastic!
Right in the middle ended, look at that.
That was fantastic.
Hey.
Do you want me to pick it up?
Go on.
That was brilliant. What was that? It was quite a long flight in the end, wasn't it?
See where the elevator is.
Oh, you got some. What did you put in up?
Yeah.
The sort of bottom looks level almost, but the top's going down. It is slightly down, yeah. That was good.
Right, take it off.